I used to dread cleaning because my old vacuum was so bulky and never reached those tight spots. It felt like a huge hassle every time. But then I tried the Fantic vacuum, and wow, what a game changer. It's super lightweight, so I can move it around easily without feeling like I'm dragging a heavy machine. The suction is powerful enough to handle everything, from floors to upholstery, even my car. Plus, it charges quickly and stores easily. So cleaning is faster and way less stressful. If you're tired of struggling with your vacuum, the Fantic vacuum might just be the solution you need.